Hello and welcome to Excalibur. In this video, I will show you how you can put in different colors or different formattings of cells based on different input values. So let's get started. First, I'll type in some values here. So let's say it's quantity and I put in values from, for example, 1 to 10. And now I will first create a list out of it. Okay, so to create a list, you have to go to the data tab and then click on this data validation button. And from this drop down, you need to select list, and in the source you define the source of the list, which is this. Okay, and then you click on OK, and you see this is my drop down list which is created, so I can select any values from this list. Okay, now I want when the user selects a value, let's say 4, then this should be red color. 8, this should be a different color. 10, it should be a different color. 9, it should be a different color. Okay, so how to do that? So this can be done using the conditional formatting, which is available on the home tab here. Okay, and here you have some predefined rules based on which you can define your values. So less than, equal to, greater than, or maybe based on top 10, bottom 10, or percentages. Okay, or maybe different scales or icon sets. Okay, but we'll learn how you can create your own rule. Okay, so we'll click on new rule. Now in this new rule also we have various sets of options. Okay, the easiest option for us to create a new rule is always format only cells that contain. Okay, and here in the drop down you can select either it's a blank or a error or cell value, so we keep it to cell value. Now you can define a particular range, or you can give it a particular specific value. So in this case I have a specific value to be given, so I'll say equal to. So when it is equal to and then I specify a number, let's say 1, and this is the format. So there's no format set, so you can set the format. Now this is where I can choose the color. Okay, I can also choose a different border, a different font for the text. Okay, and the type. Okay, let's assume we limit it to the number this time. Oh, sorry, the color. Okay, so we choose red color. Okay, okay. Now when you go back and select 1, you see automatically it turns red. I have not defined any color here. It comes because of this new rule. And if I select any other number, it's again transparent. So let's go to the conditional formatting again and click on new rule. Then again this. Now cell value equals to, let's say this time we take the value 5 and we set the color green. Okay, and okay. And now in the drop down I select 5, then you see that this green color appears. So this way you can define your own colors or cell formats also based on the data that is inside the cell. Also, you see all these rules here. So when you go to the manage rules, you will see that the rules are here. So in the current selection, so or this complete worksheet. So if you select the complete worksheet here, so it shows us that on the cell value 5 we will have this format or this color, and it applies to this particular cell. Okay, and similarly a 1 we have this. Okay, you can edit the rules, you can delete the rules, you can also define new rules from here. Okay, so that's the way you can customize your sheet and make it colorful or with different formats. I hope this is useful for your work. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel Excalibur. Thank you very much.